Okay, I hope you are able to see my screen.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so for that, you can go to menu and you can click on the add part over here, or else there is a ads manager from the left hand side menu as well. You can go from either way. So I click on ads, which will take me to Facebook ads manager. So Facebook Ads Manager is the place where we can create all the types of ads for our requirement. So now before starting with the ads, let us understand the different types of objectives that are available for the ads. Now over here, the first thing is awareness, so we can create ads and we can show it to the people, uh, basically for the awareness. When I'm starting a new business, I want to tell people that we exist. So unless and until people do not know that there is a company who is selling some products or services, then the people are not going to buy from you. So first of all, people need to know that yes, you exist. So that is this awareness campaign where we can show ads to the people who are most likely to remember them. Then the next type of ad is the traffic ad. So traffic ad is basically we can get traffic to our website or mobile app or Instagram profile or events that we create in Facebook. So like this, we can get traffic anywhere. So this is the traffic part. So this would be good when we have created a new website or if we have a new mobile app, then we can run this ad. This is really very good where we can get a lots of traffic with this ad. Then it's the next ad is engagement ad. So engagement ad is basically wherein people will engage with us. So by sending messages or likes, comments, shares, all those things will happen in engagement. So if we are uploading a video, people will watch our videos. So this is basically engagement on our content. So that's engagement. After that, lead generation. So that's again the most important ad. Uh, every company uses this lead generation ads. So in this, what happens is that we will get the details of the people who are interested or have shown interest in our products and services. So and this is the only ad where we get people's name, email address, mobile number, and other details that we have asked for. In other ads, we do not get any other details apart from clicks and views and impressions. Only those things we get to know. But lead generation, we get to know the name of the person, we get to know the email address, phone number. So whatever details we require, we can get it through lead generation ad. So this is really very good. So once we start to get leads at that, then we can start following up. We will get that leads. We can download that Excel file from Facebook, and then we can download that file, and then we can start to connect with them with email, or maybe we can give them a call and we can close the deal. So yes, lead generation is really very important ad. After that, we have app promotion. So if you have a new app on maybe Android or iOS, then this is a very good app where you can promote your app. Now, usually what people want is if your app is new, then you want more installation. So we can get more installation as well as we want more engagement. So that is app events. So wherein people will browse your app, they will run your app, they will basically use your app. So that is app promotion which we can use. And then the final is the sales part, wherein it's the conversions that happen. It can be on the website or mobile app, or maybe on the messenger, Instagram or WhatsApp as well. So people who do not have a website or a blog or a mobile app, then in that case they can do business and do sales on messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp as well. And in case if they are not using any of these things, then they can also opt for getting calls. So people who are interested will give a call to us, and they will inquire about the products and services, and then we can close the deal over a call. So these are the different types of campaign objectives available. So now this also is similar to the Google Ads that we have done. So in this also, the first thing that we have is different campaigns. So it can be, say, any campaign which we can see over here, like awareness campaign, traffic campaign, engagement campaign, any type of campaign we have. So we can use that campaign over here. Say, like, suppose it is a traffic campaign. So if I'm creating one campaign, next time whenever I want to do a traffic campaign, I don't need to create a new traffic campaign. I can use the same traffic campaign. Then comes ad sets. So ad sets will have all the details like audience and budget and all those locations. So this is all the details that we fill in the ad sets. So if your ad set is same, then you can create a new traffic campaign and use the same ad sets, and then you just need to create a new ad. So that is the only thing. So you can create different types of ads over here. So now over here, when we talk about budget, so in budget we have two types of budget. Say one is daily budget and another one is lifetime budget. So lifetime budget and daily budget are the two types of budget that are available. So daily budget is for the people who say that, okay, I don't have any problem with running the ads. I don't have any problem with the budget. I can spend X amount on a daily basis. Say suppose I say that I can spend 500 rupees daily. So then I can keep on running that ad. So it's a daily basis. So of course I don't upload the payment daily. I will upload it for a week or 10 days or for a month. So that lump sum amount I can upload and my ad will continue. So that is daily budget. Now say there could be some people that I want to run ads, but I have a very limited budget wherein say I have maybe 5,000, 10,000, or 15,000 or 25,000, whatever it is. So then in that case, instead of daily budget over there, if we select lifetime budget, then we need to enter the budget that, okay, it is 5,000 or 10,000. So I enter that amount, and it will run the ads for the duration we have specified. So it needs to have a start date and end date. And after that, say the ad will automatically stop once the budget is exhausted. So once that 5,000 or 10,000 gets completed, utilized, say our ads will automatically stop. So these are the things. So under one campaign, we can have multiple ad sets, and under each ad sets we can have multiple ads. So this is how it works. So it is similar to the Google ads that we have done. The only difference is that the naming convention is different. Over here we have ad sets, and in Google we had ad groups. So this is the only difference. Rest everything is same. So if you know how to do Google Ads, then it would be say easy for you to understand Facebook ads. And if you know Facebook ads, then it's easy for you to do Google Ads. So it's either way. So now over here we have different types of campaign objectives. So let's begin with the first objective, that is awareness objective. So we select that, okay, we want to promote something which is new. So awareness can be like when we are launching a new product or service, at that time also we can use awareness. It's not just the company, but it's even the product or service. If there is something new that we are launching, then we want to tell the world. So this is the awareness campaign that we can select. So after selecting awareness campaign, I'll click on continue, and on the next screen I will be able to select the other options. So now over here I need to provide a name of the campaign. So I'll say that, okay, this is a awareness campaign for the product whatever I want to promote. So it can be digital marketing, or maybe uh, Mhm. So this could be any name that we want to put. So I get to know that what type of ad this is running. So I get to know that okay, I'm running an ad for awareness campaign, and it is for the product masters in applied digital marketing. So like this, I can use this campaign names over here. So of course, this is only for my reference. People will not see this. So I get to know this is in case if I'm running multiple ads, maybe 15 20 ads or more than that, then I want to know that which ad is what type of ad we are running, and for what product or service we are running that ad. So that is this ad. After that, we have special categories. So special categories is something optional, wherein if only if you belong to a particular category, like say financial products. So if you are dealing with some financial products and services, then you need to select this. You need to tell Facebook that yes, you belong to this particular category, or else you belong to employment, maybe jobs or internships or professional certification programs and all those things, then you need to select this option. Then housing, so this could be related to real estates and insurance and mortgage and all those things related to property, so you can select this. And the last option is social issues, elections, and politics. So if you are from this background, if you have this particular, not from this background, but if the ad is related to this, say for example during elections, there are lots of ads coming up, so they need to select this option. So if you belong to any of this option, I mean you are promoting any of the product or services from these categories, then you need to inform Facebook that yes, you belong to these categories. So now we do not belong to any of these categories, so I will not select that option. Now the next option over here, buying type, is auction. So auction is basically where people will bid more. So whoever is bidding more, the frequency of the ad will be more for them. So that is the option. The campaign type we have already selected is awareness campaign for whatever products and services that we have. And over here show more options. So this is campaign spending limit. So campaign spending limit is basically if you want to set a limit on your account that okay, once I reach 5,000 or 10,000, I want to stop all that so that I get to know that okay, I have reached 10,000. But I don't feel that this is important for anyone, because any which ways we are selecting the daily budget on the ad, so we are not overspending any amount, so we don't need to select this. But however, in case if you want, you can use this, but I would not suggest using this campaign spending limit. Then the next option is advantage campaign budget. So in this, what happens is that either you keep control of the budget or else you give controls to Facebook. So if you keep it on, then you are giving control to Facebook, and whatever budget you are putting, say it can be daily budget or lifetime budget over here, and you say whatever budget, say like 500, then in that case you can say Facebook will manage the bids in the auction. So bids in the auction is basically like say if it is say impression based ads or say click based ads or view based ads, in that case Facebook will manage the bids. So, but if you want to control the cost, then in that case you can keep it off, and you will control your cost in the auction. So that is advantage campaign budget. Either you keep control or you give controls to Facebook. So that's the difference over here. And then in case if you want to create multiple ads, then in that case you can select A/B testing, where it will create multiple ads with different templates and different headings and descriptions and all those things. And then it will run the ad and it will pick up the winner that okay, this ad is performing well, so you can use this ad in your future campaigns. So that is A/B testing. After that, we click on the next option, and then we proceed with the other things. So over here again, we need to provide the name of the ad over here. So which we have used is awareness campaign. Okay, so it's awareness campaign for the product ATM. Okay, so this is it. So this is the name that you want. You can use this. And after that, it will ask you that what is your performance goal. So what is the goal that you are looking at? So over here, it is maximize reach of the ads. So when you are doing awareness ads, definitely you want your ads to reach at more places. So this is the option which you can select, maximize reach of the ads. But let us see what are the other options available. So other option is maximize number of impressions. So I mean the maximize number of impression is say the number of times your the ad is shown on people's screen. So that we can select, or else maximize ad recall lift. So ad recall lift is say the type of ad wherein say it will show the ad to the people who will remember them. So most likely who are searching those kind of products, and they would be interested in our products or services, then our ads will be shown to those kind of people. We can use this option as well in case we want. But when we are doing awareness campaign, this option would be the best. The next option is video view goal. So in case if we are running a video, if we are planning to use a video in this ad, then you can use maximize through play views. So if you are promoting a video, say suppose you have uploaded a video in your Facebook account, then in that case you can promote that, you can get more plays. So people, when people will play at that time, you will be getting charged. So that is maximize through play views. And the next option is maximize 2 second continuous video plays. I don't think this is of any use, because in 2 seconds people will not even get to know what this ad is about. Say they cannot figure out it in just 2 seconds. So I would suggest if you are using a video, then you want this wherein you get more plays to your video. So this could be the option. But right now we are selecting this option which works the best, that is maximize reach of the ads. So, because we are doing awareness campaigns wherein we want more and more people to get to know about our whatever promotion we are doing, so about a product and services, so that we can select. Then we need to select a Facebook page. So, like I said, that if you want to run ads, you need to have a Facebook page. Without a Facebook page, you cannot run any ads. So over here, my page is already selected. But in case if you have multiple pages like me, then in that case, you can select the pages. So over here, you can see 9 pages, 1 page, 2 pages. So like this, you can select the pages that you have. So I am selecting my own page over here. Now this is the next thing that we need to select is the cost per result goal. So, say in the campaign, when we were defining the campaign, we had kept the control with us. The advantage campaign budget over there, we had kept it off. So, which means that I have the option to select the costing for the promotion. So now say if I am defining, so first of all I need to know that what is my budget, daily budget or a lifetime budget. So over here, if I'm selecting a lifetime budget, that okay, my budget is 500 rupees per day, then in that case, from that 500 rupees, how much are you willing to pay for 1000 impressions? So this is the amount that you need to note over here. So you can say that okay, I'm ready to pay 5 rupees or 2 rupees or 1 rupee, whatever you want. You can select this option. So I'll say 5 rupees. So 5 rupees is the amount that I'll be paying for every 1000 impressions. I mean, it's okay. You can even put 3 rupees or 2 rupees also, so it's not a problem. So this is it. After that, over here we have bid strategy. So it is cost per result goal. So cost per result goal over here, the result goal is 1,000 impressions. So for every 1,000 impressions, this is the amount that you will be paying. So what are the other bid strategies available? Let us see. So this is bid cap. So if you want to control the bids in the auction, then you select this option. So if you are selecting this option, then this is best for say controlling the bids in the auction. So you can select this option. So let me see what is the result. So now you can see you are reaching 11,000 to 31,000 people over here. So you can use this. So now if you say that you want more reach. So over here you can increase the budget. So I'll say my daily budget is 500 rupees. So 500 rupees. Let us now see over here to place ads in an Instagram experience home. Please select the Instagram Explore. Okay. So let us see. Okay. This Facebook page, this is done. Okay, bid cap we are selecting now. Let me see that option. So now I'm reaching 26,000 to 75,000 people. So previously it was around 31,000. Now I'm reaching 75,000. So now what you need to do is if you still want to reach more people, say you can try to either increase the budget, so maybe you can put say 1,000 over here. So yes, 1,000 I'm putting over here. So now let me see. So now I'm reaching 1,48,000 over here. So this is what I can do. So if you are putting more budget, then you will be reaching more number of people. So this is what you can select over here. So depending on the budget, you can select that, okay, 500 rupees is my daily budget at the moment. So this is it. Then you can select the start date and time. So I'll select that. Okay, I want my ads to start from tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So I'll select 6 a.m. tomorrow. So my ad will start at 6 a.m. in the morning. And in case if I want to provide an end date, then I can provide an end date. But if I say that okay, if I'm getting good results, then I can then I don't want to use an end date. I will continue with the ad. But if you select an end date, then whether you are performing, you are not performing, the ad will automatically stop in the at the end date. So this can be an event-based promotion also. Like say maybe if you are promoting it only for a particular event, then in that case, once the event is completed, definitely you don't want to promote it. So say suppose tomorrow is Monday, that is 30th of December, and your event is getting complete, say your event is on Sunday, so definitely you want to promote it only till 4th of January. So because the event is on 5th of January, so I'll select the end date as only 4th of Jan. So this is what I can select, that okay, up till 4th of Jan night 12 o'clock my ad will run. So from this date till this date my ad will run. So this is what you can select. But however, this end date is not compulsory, but in case if you want, you can use it. But yes, definitely for event based promotions, you definitely need to provide. Otherwise, even after the event, the ads will continue. So that is what you don't want. So you can, on a safer side, you can put an end date over here. Now, say this is budgeting and scheduling. So budgeting and scheduling is like you can increase your budget during specific time periods. So time periods means like say today is 29th, yeah, 29th of December, and say we are going to see 31st December in next say 24 48 hours. We are going to see 31st December. So in case 31st December and 1st January are some special days, then in that case, you might say that you want to increase your budget. So, on those days, so say suppose on 31st December, you want your ad, say 31st December to 1st January night 12 o'clock, you want to increase the budget by 125 rupees. So, then instead of 500 rupees daily budget, 625 rupees will be utilized because that's a festival season. So in that case, you want more promotions to happen so that more sales can happen. So this is like this, you can put some promotional dates. So if this is an ongoing promotion and if some festivals are coming in, you don't need to manually increase the bid. See, previously this option is something new which has just come up around 2 months back. But say previously, what we had to do is we had to go and manually change the bid or the amount for festivals, and or else we used to create a new ad. But now within the ad, we are getting an option wherein you can increase your budget for a particular duration. So like this, you can increase the duration that okay, for 48 hours you want to spend more amount, so you can provide whatever amount you want to provide. Or else in case if you want to select it in terms of percentage, then also you can select that okay, spend 25% more or 10% more or 50% more. Then in that case, according to the budget available in your wallet, that much amount will be spent. So you can select whatever options you want. So like this, you can add say around 50 entries can be added. So this is so like this we are added one entry. So like this you can add 50 more entries. So this is what you can do. So in case if you want to promote, you can do this. So this can be done. So this is it. Then comes ad scheduling. So now since we are using daily budget, I cannot schedule my ads. Scheduling means that I want to run from morning 6 o'clock till night 12 o'clock, uh, like we had in Google Ads. So in Google Ads also we could have selected that okay, on this date, Monday to Friday, I want to run my ads from morning 6 a.m. to night 10 o'clock or whatever time we used to provide. So now this ad scheduling can be done in Facebook, but for that I need to use daily budget. So for that I need to use lifetime budget. Sorry, yeah. So if I'm using lifetime budget, then only I can schedule my budget. If I'm using daily budget, then my ads will run 24 by 7. So like this, we can schedule the ads. So that can be done. So right now it is grayed out because we are using daily budget. After that, the most important part is coming up. That is the audience control. So you can select your audience. But now from past few months, Facebook has changed a lot, wherein say you actually don't require to put your audiences unless and until you want Facebook to know that okay, I want this kind of audiences, then they will show your ads to that type of audiences. Otherwise, depending on the product, whatever product or service we are selling, Facebook will automatically select your audience and show the ads to the people who are related to this, who are searching for, say, if I'm promoting digital marketing course and if people are searching for digital marketing courses, they might be visiting certain groups or maybe they are inquiring about it. So in that case, Facebook will show ads to those type of people. But now, in case if you want to provide an audience, then definitely you can provide. It's not that we cannot provide, but yes, we can provide. You can select your location. So I can select my location as Mumbai, so I can select Mumbai over here or any other cities. Now the best part in Facebook is we have an additional attribute. which we can select. So you can select the radius of the location. So say suppose over here you are selecting Mumbai. So Mumbai, how much radius you want to show your ad? So it is showing as 25 miles. So I mean 25 miles is more than enough. Entire Mumbai would be covered. But just in case if you want to increase, yes, you can increase it to maximum of 50 miles. So you can select 50 miles is the maximum radius. Now, if you want any other location, say that you want Pune as well, so that will not come in this radius. For that, you need to add a separate location called as Pune over here, how we add Mumbai. So that can be done. So you can add city, you can add state, you can add country. So over here these options are available. So my ad will be running in 50 miles of radius. So this is what my ad location is. You can add multiple cities, multiple countries, multiple states, or combination of everything you can use. So that is our location. After that, over here we have the option which should be checked. Of course, by default it is checked, wherein it says reach more people likely to respond to your ad. So this is an automated parameter which is selected. So definitely we want, so in I mean see I whatever audiences we are going to add. Apart from that, if there is any audience we have missed out and which is similar to our audience, then our ads will be shown to those people as well. So that is this option that we need to use this. Then the next option is store sets. So store set is basically if you have a physical location, then in that case you can select this option. So you can promote your physical location. So in case you have office or a store or a shop, whatever it is, you can use this option. But right now we are not, so I mean in awareness, of course you can promote your store as well. So store or office, whatever. So in short, physical location. So offline location, whichever you have, you can promote that also, so people will get to know. Say suppose there is a new gift collection shop which has opened nearby and they want to do the ad, then definitely they can use this option store sets. So in that case, they can select this option store sets. So definitely, first of all, we need to have that store added in Facebook. So if you do not have a store and if you select this option, it will ask you to create a store first, and then only you can select. So right now you can see my store is selected over here. I have added three stores over here for demo. So this is the actual one. So I can use this option over here. So this store I can promote. So like this I can use this. Other option is the previous option. So this is for the offline, and the previous one was the geographical area. That is, if you want to promote your ad online, then you can use this option like we have used Mumbai. So you can use these options. But this option is only for the physical location. So you can select any one of the option, either the online option or the offline option, so that you can use. After that, you need to select your audiences over here. Let's see what are the other options over here. So show more options. So yes, we can select the minimum age to the people whom we want to show our ads. So I'll select maybe around 21. So I'll select 21, or maybe on a safer side, I'll select 20. So I can select 20. And if you want to exclude any custom audiences, then you can select just that. Maybe, okay, you don't want maybe pharmaceutical students, you don't want to show the ads, then you can add that. So, I mean, but you don't want to do that, because if you do that, you will be narrowing down your audiences, which definitely we don't want. So I'll not exclude any audience. I want more and more audience to be see my ad. Then comes languages, so it is all languages, but in case if you want to select any particular language, then you can edit and select any particular language. By default it is all languages, so your ads will be shown to the customer speaking all the languages. So that is languages part. After that, this is the audience advantage plus audiences. So over here you can see it's clearly states our ad technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestions, we will prioritize audience matching the profile before searching more widely. So it is not compulsory to select your audience. It is automatically find your audience. So our ad technology automatically finds your audience. So again, this option has also come just few months back. Previously this option was not available, and we had to add our audiences. So anyways, this is for the people who do not know what should I add. For them, they can leave this option. Otherwise, if people are searching for a particular audience, then yes, you can search over here. So you can search for any keyword over here, and you will find your audience. Uh, then over here, we need to select the age over here, what is the minimum and what is the maximum. So minimum we have already selected, and maximum you can select whatever age you feel that your products and services the audience will buy. So if I feel that my digital marketing course will be taken, if I'm targeting only students, then maybe I would be selecting only from 20 to 25 maximum, or maximum I can select 30. So that is what it is. But if in case if I'm targeting students as well as the working professionals, then maybe I can select up till the age of 50 or 55, whatever. So I would select 45 over here. So I want my ads to be shown only to the people who are aged between 20 to 45 years. So this is the age group. Now genders. So again, if your product or services is gender specific, then you can select whether it is men or women, or else if your product or services for everyone, by default you it is all, and that you can select. Now it's the time to select the detailed targeting, that is the audiences. So this is just in case if we want to provide an audience. However, over here it has already said that the ad technology automatically finds your audience. But if you want to provide a suggestion, then yes, you can add your audiences over here in the detailed targeting. You can select all demographics, interest, and behaviors. So over here I can click on edit, and I can search over here. Now, when I click over here, you can see this is the relevance, but this relevance will come only if you have done certain ads previously. But if you are coming over here for the first time, you will not see any relevance options over here. It would be blank. So in that case, what you need to do is you can click on the browse link over here. You click on this browse, and then you can select from the three options that you can get. So you can either select from demographics, interest, or behavior, or else you can select from all the three. If you feel that your audience is from particular demographics, particular interest, or behavior, then you can select multiple options. So first I'll select demographics. In that I'll select my category education, and then over here education level. So I can select that, okay, associate degree, okay, college graduates, I can select. Then doctorate degree, these people will not be interested in digital marketing, so I'll not select that. High school graduates, yes, I can select them. Then the next option is the students who are in college right now. So in college, I can select. So these are the options. So in graduate school, I can select. In high school, I would not suggest high school, okay, because I mean, that would be up till 12 standard maybe. So, but just in case if you want, you can select this option. Master's degree, yes. Professional degree, yes. You can select. So, like this, you can select your audiences. Then audiences who have done some college or some graduate school, then you can select this option over here, and some high school. So that can be selected because maybe they are high school dropouts. They have done some high school, and they might be looking to do something. So in that case, they can learn digital marketing and make a career. So I can select this option. So like this, you should know that okay, what are the audience who are likely to purchase your product or services, so that you can select over here. Then maybe if you want to select a particular field of study, maybe you don't want to select all the things which we have selected, and you just want to select a particular field of study. Say suppose you want to select the audience is studying MBA. So I can select MBA, then you can select okay, this is MBA what. See, maybe sales and marketing, or say over here it is the over here it is okay. Some other options are there. So yeah, I mean you can select like this. Options are available. Field of study you can select. In case if you want, you can select. The name of the schools as well. So in that case, that can be selected. Say like field of study, either MBA or engineering, like that you can select. Then maybe if you are searching for a particular school, say like maybe any international, say like if you want, I select Oxford. So you can select this Oxford College. Okay, so this is college, Oxford University, Oxford Academy. So like this, you have various options, and you also get to know what is the size of this audience. So you can target those audience. So like this, you can select this. So maybe I want to select. So over here you can see Harvard University, Harvard College, Harvard Westlake School. So like this you can select these options. So this is the particular schools that you want to select. So like these options are available which you can select. In that you can select say if the option is available. Maybe let's see uh, Mumbai University. So you can see over here SNDT University Mumbai, Padma Shri DY Patil University Navi Mumbai. So like this you can select the options in case if you want this can be done. So you can select the school options as well. Undergraduate years, financial parameters are there. Income, if you want to select the as per the income of the people or life events of the people, like anniversaries coming in this month or within 30 days, or say ones who are away from the families, or say from their hometown, or the ones whose birthday months are particular months, then you can select that. And maybe upcoming birthdays, that can be selected. Then friends of long distance relationship, new jobs, new relationships, newly engaged in 1 year, newly engaged 3 months. So like this, I mean there are various options available: parents, relationship, work. Then the next option is by interest, so it can be like business and industry. So in that you might have various options like advertising, marketing, agriculture, industry. So like this there are various options and subcategories, categories, subcategories, and subcategories you can select. So this is what all the options are available. So I mean Facebook is giving really wide range of options from which you can select. So you can see all these options. Digital activities, you can select this option again. Digital activities, say like people who are playing console games, Facebook Lite app users, people who have used Facebook payments in last 30 days or 90 days, or say Facebook access older devices and OS. So like this, I mean, there are various options available. You can use this option, and if you want, you can select Facebook page admin. So this is good. I mean, because page admin is say could be there are lots of pages with lots of audiences in those pages, so you can select that option as well in case if you want. So like this, different options are available. So we have given some suggestions. We These are the suggestions that we have selected. So now according to this, our ads will be shown to people, so that can be done. So now if you want to narrow down your audience, you can select, and you can narrow down your audience, say like learning and development manager, or say head of training and development. So in case if I'm targeting IT companies, then learning and development manager would be the right person who is in charge of conducting the trainings in corporates. So they are called as L&D manager, so L&D department. So I can select that as well. So like this, I can select various options. See, training and development manager is there. Then training and development manager over here as well. Then employee training specialist. Okay. Then head of training and development, director of HR. So like this, learning officer, manager of staff training and development. So I mean, these are the, you can now you can see these are the related to the audiences that we have selected. So like this, we can get to see these are the options that are available. We can select these options. So this is you can narrow down your audiences. So, I mean, you can save money, and your ad will go to the right kind of people. So, that is what we can see over here. Now, say if you are going to run several ads with the same audiences. So, I mean, it takes time to select an audience. So, oh, it might take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to select the audiences. So in that case, you don't want to select the audiences every time you create an ad. Then in that case, you can save this audience, and you can give it a name. So whatever name you want, you can give it. So I'll say mm, IT 2025. So this is the audience name. So I can select this, and I can also add students. So students IT, students and idea. So this is this is, I'll get to see the audience. So this is the audience which I can save. So next time when I come over here, I don't need to select my audiences. I can directly select from the use saved audiences. So now over here you can see I have lots of audiences that I have saved. So if I want, I can just click on the audiences that I have created, and yes, that audience will automatically get selected over here. So that is the audience part over here. So next time it's very easy for us. So this is it. Then placements. So then placement is something that where exactly your ads are going to be placed. So definitely we know that, okay, we since we are doing Facebook ads, so your ads would be coming up on Facebook and Instagram. But in Facebook and Instagram, where exactly? So if I want to know that, then yes, I can get to know where exactly my ads are going to be shown. So I can just click on edit, and by default it is advantage plus placements which is recommended. But in case if you just want to check, just for checking purpose, you click on manual placements. So you can select this. So now you can see the platforms where your audience can be seen. say like, okay, over here we are getting one option, you could better result with advantage plus. Okay, so that we are definitely going to use, but this is just for checking purpose that where exactly my ads are going to come. So you can see over here the platform selected are Facebook, Instagram. So I can select Instagram also. So Facebook and Instagram, audience network and messenger. So the awareness ads, the type of ads that we are selecting is not applicable on these type of on these platforms. It is not applicable, so I cannot use this, and my ads will be coming up on all the devices. So I can use this all devices by default. If you want to edit which devices, then you can select the devices, either mobile or desktop. If you say that you want to target only mobile users, then you can select only mobile users and you can uncheck the desktop version. So that's fine. Now over here you can see the ones which are checked that are eligible. So these are the two platforms, and these are the ads within those platforms. So in Facebook feeds you can see this is feeds. So on the right hand side you can see how the ad will look related to that Facebook feeds. Now if I select Facebook profile feed, so it is like this, but that is not eligible. But Instagram feed is eligible, and it the Instagram feeds looks like this. Now if I select profile feed, so it looks like this, and our ads will come up like this. So this is the different places we get to know. Now say suppose you still further want to control your ads, say your money bids in auction. So and you don't want your ads to be shown in all the places. If you say that okay, I want my ads to come up only in say Facebook feeds, or only stories and reels, then you can select those options and you can uncheck the other options. So your ads will then come up only in stories and reels. So that can be done. So over here our ads are applicable, and these are for the video ads. Over here we are not running video ads, so these options are not eligible. So like this we have different types of options, but now we are not selecting this option. We are selecting the first option, that is advantage plus placements, which is recommended. So now this is because we will select this because wherever our say our ad is eligible in whichever platforms, it will automatically be shown. So I don't need to manually select. So definitely if I want to show up at more places, then wherever applicable my ads will be shown. So this is the best option that I can use. Then let us see what more options do we have. So this is related to brand safety and suitability. So wherein you can prevent ads from appearing near content that is not conducive to your brand manage. So over here the first option is inventory filter. So that option is not you cannot edit that option. If you want to say block a particular publisher list, then in that case you can select this option. So say publisher block list helps prevent your ads from appearing in places you don't consider safe for your brand or campaign. So let us click on that. So you don't have any publisher block list. So basically publisher block list is say the pages where you do not want your ads to be shown. But I mean this we will not select any blocking options because we want our ads to be shown at more and more place. This is usually done by corporates when they are releasing some competitive products. So they don't want their competitors to know that okay, today they have released, so that they can capture the market before the competitors will get to know. So you can select those options. So in that case they can select their pages and all those things they can select, and the ads will not show up. Or maybe some pages which are not good, or say maybe they have some content which is not suitable for our audiences, like maybe profanity or rough language or sexual content. We don't want our ads to be shown on such places, so definitely you can block those options. But ideally, this inventory that we are selecting is already a safe inventory, so we don't need to select this automatically. This will be done. So but still, in case if you want to block any publisher, you can log this over here. Then content type exclusion, so that option is also not available. Maybe in other ads it will be coming up. And this option is by default selected. Now, say the topic exclusions for Facebook in stream videos. So in politics, religion, and spirituality, our ads will not come up by default. So that's it. And apart from the options that we have selected till now, we can see that our ad is reaching approximately 24,000 people to 68,000 people every single day. So because this is a daily budget that we have selected, and you can see this is the estimated daily results. So this is the daily results that we can see. So that is it. After that, we click on next, and then you can provide the name of the ad, so that would also remain the same, that is awareness campaign for the product. Okay, so this is it. And now over here, in case if you are doing a partnership ad with someone, some business creators or brands, then you can keep it on. So right now, this option is not applicable for us. So you cannot select this option. So your ad setup does not support partnership ads. So that's fine. Now over here, identity, that is the place where our ads will be coming up. So the Facebook page was initially selected, and now you can see Instagram account associated with this page is already selected. Now this happens only if your Facebook and Instagram are connected. So you can connect it from the settings. So if I go to my page, there you can go to settings, and there you can go to the linked devices. So all the devices that are linked, so I mean they keep on changing the menu, but let me see. Okay. Yes, you can see this linked accounts. So you can click on this, and you can connect. So now you can see over here connected to this, my handle is provided. So it is connected to my Instagram account, and it is also connected to my WhatsApp. So in some of the ads, in case if I want to select WhatsApp, then WhatsApp also should be connected. So over here you can link your accounts over here. So this is what we can do. So yes, it is connected. That is the reason it automatically selects this. Now if I change the page, then automatically the Instagram account associated with it also changes automatically, because this Instagram account is associated with this page, and the previous one was different, so it automatically updates it. So this is what it will come up. So you just need to select a page. Instagram account will be selected automatically. So this is it. Now over here you have add voice. So that is main page and local pages. So this is, you need to choose a page voice for this ad. So maybe I mean I can select a main page. So if I select a main page, then what happens is that ads will be delivered for locations with the following options on Facebook placements. So main page name, clicks on the ads will take people to the main page. Links and comments will appear on the post. Directions, phone numbers, etc. will be for the local pages. So in case if you are running a type of ad where you require phone numbers and all those things are involved, then you can select local pages. So if you select local pages, then the option is that local page name, clicks on the ads will take people to the local page. Likes and comments will appear on the post, filter by the closest page. direction phone numbers will be for the local page. So like this you can select. So I mean you can select the main page, so that can be selected. And after that you can select, that is the ad setup. So this is the place where we are actually creating an ad. So you have some options over here, what are the type of formats that you want. Say it can be a single image ad or a single video ad. It can be a carousel, which is two or more scrollable images or videos, so it will scroll left and right. So this is good in case if you are promoting multiple products or services, you can select this option. And this is collection, so group of items that opens into full screen mobile experience. But this option is not available for our region, that is for India. At present, it is not available. Previously, this option was available, but at the moment, this option is not available, so we cannot use this option. So let us use a single image or a video because we are promoting one product over here. So I'll select single image or a video. So this I can use. After that, what I can use is, this is multi-advertiser ads. So your ads can appear alongside the other ads in the same ad unit to help people discover products and services from business that are personalized to them. So this is just in case if you want to use this option. So alongside with the other ads, the your ad will also come. If you want, you can uncheck this option if you want. So I mean, this is not mandatory, but I mean, you keep this option, you get some added benefits. Your ad will appear at more locations, so that option can be used. Then this is full screen mobile experience, so you can add an instant experience. So instant experience is basically if you have created some creative on Facebook and you want to use this, then you can use this option. So then over here, either if you do not have, you can create new, or you can use this. So right now I'm not using this, so I'll uncheck this option. Okay, so now one second. So ad cannot be edited. What happened to the ad? Something went wrong. Okay, no problem. If something goes wrong like this, we do not need to worry. So what we need to
Mhm.
do is we can just click on action menu and we can just delete this. So I'll delete this ad over here. So that's gone. And now you can see I can click I can create a new ad. So now up till now over here you can see this is the page that we have selected and the budget and all those places. So it was the previous page where we were, that is into the campaigns. So now over here it says publish, but at present it is in draft. So I will keep it in draft. So let me see if I have any other options. So no, I don't have any other options. I'll keep it in draft only. But now what I am going to do is I'll just click on this close button. And now right now I have campaign, I have ad set. So I'll click on the campaign, and then over here the ad set is there, but I don't have an ad. So in this case I'll click on this, and now I need to create an ad. So I can create that option from here, so I don't need to worry. So it is the same thing. So you just need to select which campaign you are working on. So this is the campaign name. So this is what we are using. Use an existing camp ad set, so that we are already using this. So now I can click on continue, but I can use the name. So name of the ad also I need to use, and then I click on continue. And now again we will go back to the same place where we were. So if anything goes wrong, nothing, no worries. You can just close this, click on the ad set, and then create a new ad. And you can delete, if something goes wrong, you can just delete this ad. Same is the case if something goes wrong with ad set, then you can delete it. Or if you feel that by mistake you have done something wrong, so I mean you can delete it, it's fine. so not a problem. However, you can edit it, but usually nothing goes wrong with the campaign, but only with the ad. Sometimes, like just now, what we selected, something went wrong, so it comes up like this. So not a problem. So I'll select my Instagram page, and Instagram account is selected, and now over here I'm going to select single image or a video. I can keep this ad preview on so that I'll get to see the ad once I create it, and after that I can select the ad creative, so I can upload an image or a video, whatever I want. So let me select what image I have. So in case if say for whatever images which I have uploaded previously in my previous ads, I can see all the images over here. So I can use them, but if you are coming for the first time, then you can see there is an option for uploading. You can use uploading as well, or else you want from your account or from Instagram, then you can use that. Or if you have some images from your page, you can use that as well. So here you can see there are various images which I can use from my page. So yes, let me see what image I want to use. So I'll select this image over here, or maybe this image. No, I'll use this one. Hmm. Okay, so like this I can use, or maybe I want to use this image, so that I can use. I click on next. So now over here, AI generations, some fine tuning with the images. So let's see. So the product image, so you can select the object, or say your image may have too many elements. Try selecting specific object. I mean, we have selected only one. So this is all AI. If you want, if you feel that your image is perfect, you don't need to worry about it. You can just leave this as it is. You can click on done, and your image will come up over here. So after that, you can see your images here. After that, you can add your primary text. So primary text is the text where you can add whatever is the most important thing. So and that will be on the top of the ad. So you that will be the first thing that people will be seeing. So okay, I'll take from my notepad. I'll take the option. Okay, so now maybe I can use some content like, okay, this whole paragraph I want, I can just copy this whole paragraph. The best part over here is that we don't have any limitation on the character like we had in Google. Over there, we had limitations for 30 characters for headlines and 90 characters for description. But over here, we can add unlimited text. So I can add the whole paragraph over here for the primary text. So that will be seen once the ad loads. We'll get to see that can be seen. So now this is the primary text that I have added. Now I can add headlines. So headlines also I can add. So okay, so I can add these headlines. So I don't need to worry about the headlines. I can add more headlines. So if I want, you can see I can add the page name, phone number, city, postcode, region. You can see all these options are there. I can use that options, so that can be done. And over here I can add a description. So description I can use. So let's see what I can use. Okay, so I use this, and that would be the description over here. And after that, you can see we have two options, that is website URL or store locator. So if in the campaign, if we would have selected that store locator option instead of that online where we had selected Mumbai, so in that case, then you can select the store locator. So you are going to get traffic offline. But if you want, you are promoting something from your website, you can use this option. So you provide the website URL. Okay, so this is done. What does it say? URL can't be used. The URL you entered, HTTPS, doesn't redirect to a website. Oh, okay. Let me just check. I mean, website is working absolutely fine. What's the problem? Okay, so fine. Okay, so this is done. And display link. So that is the link that you want to display in the ad. So I'll just use this part so people can see this over here in the display link can be seen, and then that is the call to action button that you want. So in below the ad, this is, you can see send message. So if you want people to send message to you, then you can use this option, or else you can use other call to actions like call now, get directions, learn more, send message, order now, shop now. Like this, there are various call to actions that are available which we can use. So maybe I can use learn more because I cannot use shop now or order now, because digital marketing courses, you cannot order digital marketing courses, or you cannot shop for digital marketing courses. You can apply or you can sign up. So those options are not there in this ad. So the best option would be learn more. I can use, or maybe call now is also good that I can use. So I'll say learn more. So this option I can use. So now that button has changed to learn more over here, we can see. So that is the call to action, and then event details. So this is just in case if you already have any event created, then you can also add an event over here, so that can be done. So this is what we have. So I think I have an event. So event name as start time. Okay, so no, this is if I want to create a new event, it is not selecting the existing one. So not a problem, and any which ways it is optional. So I mean, if you are conducting an online event, say suppose I don't know if I can see it over here. mm, on my page, events. So yes, January 18th, this event I'm conducting. So now say suppose if I want to promote this event, if I don't have a website and I don't have anything, so awareness campaign can be for this also. You have an event that you are promoting, so you can get traffic over here also. You can get uh, people to know about your event, so that can also be done. And then tracking. So tracking is basically the website event. So this is used for the conversion ads and not for the awareness ads. But any which ways, since this option is available, you can keep this option. It doesn't make any difference, or you're not going to be charged extra for using this. This is the service free of cost from Facebook. So that's okay. So now this is for tracking whatever actions that people are taking on my website. So that can be selected. The same way, if you want to track the app events, you can select that option. If you have a mobile app, you can use this option. So right now I don't have one, so I'll select only website events, and that's it. So now you can see your ad is created, and now let's preview our ad. So now you can see various formats of our ad is created. So this is the feed over here. So how different ads will be seen. So this is Facebook stories. The ad will be this. So now over here, if you see, if I put a vertical image, that would work the best. So, but still, I mean, we have selected an image which works on all the format, because some format will work only on some placements and it will not work on the other. So it's okay. So we have selected this. So this is Facebook Marketplace. Then this is Instagram feeds. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, this is Facebook stories. Then Facebook stories, Facebook stories. Okay, and this is Facebook feeds. This we have seen. Okay, then yeah, like this we can see this. This is all okay. And feeds, if you want to see feeds, we can see that. If you want to see stories and reels, so you can get to see how does it look on Facebook and Instagram stories, that can be seen. So this is Instagram stories, so like this it will be shown. So yeah, this is Facebook stories, and this is Instagram stories. It will be seen like this. So yeah, that's fine. So like this, you can just preview the ad, that okay, how exactly it is going to be look like, how is it going to be seen. So that is the preview of the ad. So once everything is good to go, you can click on the publish button. But sometimes you can see over here, you can see some exclamation mark. So now over here it says that the required parameter dynamic ad voice creative parameter is required. So now let us check that add voice. So this over here, so I can select main page. So I think now it should go. So yes, it has gone. So now it is main page. So that's okay. So now there are no errors, and now I am ready to publish my campaign. So now I can click on publish. So now this ad is getting published. So publishing one of three. So three is basically your campaign, ad set, and ad. So we have total three numbers. So that is what it says. One campaign, one ad set, and one ad were published. So that was one of three. So your ad is created. Now your ad, this ad which we have created is processing. So what happens in processing is it will go into review. So first it will process, then it will go into review, and then if your ad is approved by Meta, then your ad will start running, and that also provided you have balance in your wallet. So now let's see how we can upload the payment. So now from the left hand side menu, you can see billing and payments. You click on billing and payments, and then it will take you to the dashboard of billing summary. Okay, so it's loading. So now this is the payment activity. So you can see this is the account number, and now you can see prepaid balance. There is a 300 rupees balance in my account. So right now this is okay. And if there is no amount, then you can click on add funds, and then you can select your payment method. You can first select what is the amount that you want to upload, and then you can select the options, the payment methods, debit card, credit card, UPI, or net banking you can select. So you can make the payment using these options, and the payment is instant, and it will get credited to your account instantly. And in case if something goes wrong, you don't need to worry with it. And if the amount is deducted from your bank, then you don't need to worry. Within 24 hours it will get refunded if it is not credited over here. So that is what it is. So this is how you upload the payment. So right now we have 300 prepaid balance over here. So this is a prepaid account. There is no postpaid account. You have to upload the payment first, and then only your ads will run. So that is the payment option over here. So like this we can create various ads over here. So today we have seen the ad which was related to awareness campaign. So okay, and then we can do the rest of the ads. So today, since I was explaining, we got to understand the UI and all the attributes and parameters available in the ads. It took us long, but in the next session I think we would be able to do at least 2 to 3 ads. Let's see. Now over here, once your ad is running, in case if you want to stop any ad, then in that case there is a toggle button over here. You can switch it on or off at any point of time. You can select this off over here, you can select this off over here, like this you can select, unless and until you want to run the ads, because you have payment, you have balance in your account. If you keep this on, then in that case automatically the ads will start to run. So that is what it is. And if you select a campaign, if all the campaigns are off, then in that case by default you don't need to off the ad sets and ads, because campaign is the top part, top level attribute, wherein if I stop all the campaigns, then all the ad sets within that campaign and all the ads within that ad sets will get stopped automatically. But just say that when do I need to select a particular ad set or particular ad? Maybe under this campaign, say like if I'm running traffic campaign or awareness campaign, under this particular campaign I might have multiple ad sets for awareness campaign. So I want to stop the awareness campaign of a particular product, then in that case I can go and stop that. So that I can do. Otherwise, other option is that under that particular ad set I might be running multiple ads for different products. So maybe for some products I want to run the ads, and maybe for one or two I don't want to run the ads. In that case, I can switch off the ads. So that is what. But if you switch off the campaign, then everything will be getting stopped. Your Facebook account, all the ads under your Meta account will get stopped. So that is what this. You can switch it on, you can switch it off. So right now I have switched it off. In case if I want to switch it on, I can switch it on anytime. So that can be done over here. So that's it for today. So in the next session, we will see the remaining ads. So that can be done. So traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. So let's see how many ads we can do in the next session. So now if you have any questions, you can let me know.
Sure, sir. Like the session was interesting, but hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like the session was, it was good. It
Hmm.
was very interesting and informative. But at the same time, like the process which we had done, it was like whole thing, and it took a lengthy time.
Right.
Time as in because it was very unfamiliar for me to see these all things, but it was first time, so I just tried
Okay.
to learn and
Hmm.
just grab small things.
Hmm.
It will take time for me, like
Right.
for you it is on a regular basis, but for me it will take time, so I need to be familiar with the ads manager.
Right.
Because in last session we had about Google Ads. We had learned about we are a bit familiar about the same.
Right.
But for the Meta Ads Manager, so it
Hmm.
will also take time, but
Right.
once, twice, thrice. So it's all
Yeah.
about the practice I need to
Yeah,
do.
once you practice, you will get to know, because this is something wherein you need to do practice. Once you start practicing, you get into the dirt and make your hands dirty. Only at that time you can learn. So definitely, once you start practicing, you will get to know. You will get to know what are the problems, at which stage you are facing any problems. So that's what I keep on saying, that when you practice, just note down the problems that you are facing at every stage. so that we can discuss those problems in the next session and then we can start the lecture. So we discuss all the doubts of the previous session and then we start the new session. So like that, you can start practicing and note down all the doubts so that I mean that can be resolved.
Absolutely, sir. So, but I was just urging, like, if you can share me the website credentials, like the WordPress is
Ah,
pending,
yes,
and
website. Yes, I will share it
training
to you
server.
in half an hour.
And apart from that, some of the recorded lectures of last 2 to 3 sessions are still
Uh,
pending. So I
yes,
will also request you to.
yes, I had told that I would be uploading a new set of lectures. So I think by today evening or tomorrow, all the lectures will be uploaded.
Okay,
Yeah.
it will be great, sir.
Yeah, so all the lectures, so I mean, even the future lectures will also be uploaded. So I have all the 20 lectures, 1920 lectures which I have. So that will be uploaded. So you can revise it at any point of time.
Because usually when I'm having some time, so I revise the previous part, like
Yes,
one, two, three.
right.
It is very thorough with all the things.
Hmm.
Like theoretically, I am very clear, but practical are still pending. So I was
Right,
just waiting for the WordPress server,
right.
and 4, 5, 6, 7, I will just clear in this week, and the rest of the lecture, I will just make sure that it will get revised and theoretically, and with your support, I will do it practically, sir.
Okay, fine. That's great.
So it was great, sir. So I'm just asking some and helping out for the support of the server, training servers,
Yes,
and
yes.
recorded lectures.
Yes. I'll send it. This website I'll send it to you in half an hour and say hopefully by today evening or say maximum by tomorrow, you will get the lectures also.
Then it will be great, sir.
Yeah. All right. See you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you so
Bye.
much, Hitesh,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.